after this super brain training?
Ma'am, usually I used to have like a few of brain teaser games in my home. Like I couldn't complete them. Even if I did try to complete, it would take a lot of time because I would have been confused. But there's this thing called a number puzzle, which it will be like 16 numbers, and one box would be missing, and it would be all scrambled up. It would take me at least 2 hours to complete it, but now it would just take me like 2 minutes, ma'am.
Wow!
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Transformation. 2 hours to 2 minutes.
yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
And
Great.
because of Vedic maths, I have also improved in my studies. And any calculation, when my maths teacher asks me, I would quickly answer the questions. She'd be so proud of me. And not only because of that, I even had the opportunity to become one of the leaders in my school, like the council member.
Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Very good. How are your studies going on?
Great, ma'am.
Doing great. You're able to
Yes,
complete very quickly?
yes, ma'am. Uh, every day when I come back from school, I used to take like to complete my homework in like 2 hours or something, because it would take me very like so much time to understand the questions. But now, like whenever I read the question, I'm like, okay, I got the answer in my mind, and I just write it down.
Wow. That is really nice. Your speed increased. You got more clarity. Awesome. Awesome. Let's clap for Nitya. Everybody. Good job. Best wishes, Nitya. So we
Thanks.
want you all to apply your brain and use your brain completely and use these techniques in your studies. No? So you can complete, your friends may take 2 hours, 3 hours to complete anything, and you will complete in 5 minutes. That is really nice. Good
Yes,
job, good job. We are very
yes,
happy. All the best, Nitish.